Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am making sesame roasted fish with couscous salad. It's quick, super easy, but so delicious. Let's get started right now. The first thing I am doing is roasting bell peppers, onion, and garlic. If you want it a little spicy, add 1 or 2 habanero peppers. Next, I am roasting the fish. Feel free to use any kind of fish. I am using red snapper. I am adding olive oil and seasoning on one side. I will turn the fish around and do the same thing on the other side. I have the peppers, onion, and garlic out of the oven. I'm going to blend this before adding it to the fish. This is perfect and also smells so good. I have the fish out of the oven. I am drizzling a little sesame oil before adding the sauce. Now, let's make the couscous salad. Once the water started to boil, I added the couscous. After 5 minutes, I fluffed the couscous and set it aside. I am sauteing half onion in a little bit of oil. I added the onions to the couscous. You can also add cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and cilantro. The lettuce adds a really nice crunch to the couscous. I love the flavor and the taste of the sesame oil, bell peppers, onion, and garlic. This is an easy weeknight dinner. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.